You shouldn't have to pay taxes in retirement. And the last thing you should be worried about is paying taxes to the government, commonly known as the estate or death tax, upon your demise. So we want to structure generational transfer. Okay, generational transfer may involve different types of trust. So for instance, you may say, Philip, I want my grandchildren to inherit this, that, or the other, these particular group of assets. So we will set up a generational skipping trust for you. You want to skip a generation and let this part of your assets move directly to your grandchildren. Is your wealth manager working with you and providing this type of service? 95% of the time, not so much. And so this is what draws a stark contrast between the guy or gal down the street in the big box retailer as opposed to our boutique private wealth management firm. In addition to that, you want to structure a retirement income plan that's extremely tax efficient. For my liking, I like it extremely tax-free. That may mean structuring Roth conversions over a 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 10-year period to move the amount of assets from your qualified accounts, those accounts that you have to take required minimum distributions from, move them over into your own family's tax-free accounts. Now, for some of us, we're charitably inclined, I myself included in that. I believe the more you give, the more you receive, but that's not why I give. I give because I believe in helping folks out, whether it be helping a new advisor out with education or helping the needy out with resources that they may not have at their disposal. So when we look at this type of charitable giving, a private wealth manager will structure charitable giving in your retirement plan. How much of that IRA do we want to go to a direct 501c3 charity? So for instance, giving an example, we have a client, many clients, but I'll just take a client with, say, a $2 to $5 million IRA. Well, they may choose to have 2 or 60% of that go to their wife, their spouse, and or their children tax-free. We'll structure a Roth conversion yearly process. We do it twice a year to slowly move or rapidly move assets from government taxable to tax-free. The rest of the IRA will keep intact to provide RMD distributions to your charities. It's extremely important that your required minimum distributions go directly to the charity and not through your tax return. In other words, do not receive possession of the RMD and then write a check to the charity. Have it paid directly to the charity. This is part of private wealth management.